You didn't forget to eat lunch, did you? Okay, we're gonna do the, no, leave it there. We're gonna do the first page, only we do 4 muscles on that page. 2 of them is going between the, one is gonna go between a hyoid bone and the sternum. Call them the sternohyoides. The second one goes between sternum and the thyroid cartilage. Call them the sternohyoides. Exactly the name. And that's what they are. Sternothyroides is the deepest one, and the superficial one is the sternohyoides. Those, now we do the true muscle on this side, masseter, and finally we do the muscle which turns the head to the right and left, the sternocleidos. Okay? Now, if you look at it, if you open up over there, the jaw, and if you look at this one, you're going to see this muscles, which is like a V-shaped structure. This is 1, and this is 2. And some of them are much better obvious, but that's why it is. It's inverted like a V shape. And that's why it is the digastric muscle. Okay? Those are 2 the digastric muscles, and between them, the muscle of the upper head and neck is very small. They're called mylohyoides, between the 2 digastric, mylohyoides. Digastric, mylohyoides, just like this. Then we do the 2 muscle, which goes from the sternum to hyoid, and the sternum to thyroid cartilage. The first one goes from the sternum to the thyroid cartilage. We call them sternohyoides, which is right there. Sternohyoides. That's it. It goes between the hyoid bone to the sternum. I can cut it, or I can just push it back in order to see, to show you sternohyoides, which goes from the sternum to the thyroid cartilage. Is much shorter. And behind, underneath of that, is the trachea. Is the trachea. Okay? Now, this is the pec major. We all know that. And underneath of this is pec minor. And to the very end is the xiphogeneralis. Is the next page. The xiphogeneralis, if you look at this one, is a very, very thin muscle. What is showing here? Oh, thank you. It's right at the end parts of the pec minor. Pec major, pec minor, and xiphogeneralis, which goes from the xiphoid process of a sternum to the humerus. We don't have it, but that's what they have it. It's only in the cat. And the muscle of the upper extremities, which is 3 of them, is the large one. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Danny, would you please give that the head and neck statue?
That'll be all tomorrow.
Thank you. Okay, this is your triceps, tricep muscle. This one is a bicep. It's a bicep, and between them is a brachialis. Brachialis. Okay, so that's the only muscle we got so far. Digastric, mylohyoid between them, a sternocleidomastoid, which you turn the head to the right and left. This is chopped up. Probably I see them some other cat. Masseter, okay, sternohyoideus and the sternothyroideus. Pec major, pec minor, and the xiphohumerus. Biceps, triceps, and brachialis. The pitch? Okay, just leave it. Now let's go to the back. As you see here, trapezius in human is only one. And only we know by the one muscle. But in the cat, they break it down into 3 parts, according where they are attached. But I don't care. So as long as you name him trapezius, so I mark you right, if in case be on the test. Don't try to kill anybody with this scalpel. You'll be very sorry. Never will go through. Never. Look at it. Anybody has a sharper scalpel maybe?
Sharper scalpel. They're all the same, I feel like.
This is a trapezius. Oh, let me first go over the human muscle of those muscles that we did go over. Oops, sorry.